How to generate flashcards from text with AI. First of all, open the Knowt app on your device and make sure you are logged in. Next, tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen. From the Create menu, choose the option to upload a file. This is where AI will take your notes or study material and start processing it. Then upload the text file. Now the AI summarizer screen will appear. Under What should we create, make sure to select Flashcards. Then enter a title, choose your language and adjust the other settings like outline format, paragraph format or the range of pages you want to include. Once everything is set, tap Continue. The AI will instantly analyze your text and generate flashcards based on the content you provided. After your flashcards are ready, you can review them, edit any details and organize them into sets. From there, you are ready to start studying with AI-generated flashcards that save you time and effort. Now you know how to generate flashcards from text with AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.